Okay, I'll also just show you how to stream via Bluetooth. If you go to your music, and you'll see there at the bottom there, if we click on that, it's just got phone there. So we'll click on audio. We'll go to sources. We want Bluetooth audio. Click on Bluetooth. No Bluetooth device connected. Select a device, yes. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro now. Just watch there. If I do that, connect phone and media. There you go, it's come up. So it's showing Ford Fiesta. So there's a tick next to it. Now anything I play on my phone, if you've got this set up right, it will play through there. So we'll click play on there.
Number 20.
Right, we'll just go back. Audio, sources, Barry's iPhone. So that's it. So as you can see, as tears go by, Marianne Faithful. As tears go by, Marianne Faithful. And when I turn this up, there you go. That's how to stream audio. Thanks for watching. It mirrors your phone. So you see there, phone, music. If we go to music, we can play whatever we want to do. Just turn that up. So you can play your music, any audio books. We'll just go to the screen there, audio book there. Any audio books you want to listen to.